Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this time, I will show you how to make mini toolbox like this. Without wasting time, let's start it. First step, go to top plane. Active rectangle, click from this point to this point. Active smart dimension, make this line length is 300 mm. And this line length is 200 mm. Go to sheet metal, active base flange, make sheet metal parameter is 1.2 mm. OK. Active edge flange, click this edge, and this edge. Uncheck use default radius parameter, make radius parameter is 2 mm. Make flange length is 180 mm. Maybe 150 mm. Click H1, click edit flange profile. Delete vertical symbol. Drag this point. Active smart dimension. Click this line and this line. My angle parameter is 120 degree. And make this line length is 150 mm. Click back. Click H3. Click edit flange profile. Delete vertical symbol. Drag this point. Active smart dimension. Click this line and this line. My angle parameter is 120 degree. And make the line length is 150 mm. OK. Active edge flange again. Click this edge. Make flange length is 150 mm. And make angle parameter is 120 degree. Maybe 60 degree. Uncheck use default radius. Make radius parameter is 2 mm. OK. Active hem. Click this edge. OK. Active hem again. Click this edge. Choose this type. OK. Click this face, click sketch. Active line, click this point, to this point, point down the line, point right the line. Active smart dimension, make this line length is 10 mm. And this line length is 5 mm. And this line length 5 mm. Go to sheet metal, click metal flange. Choose this flange position. OK. Doing the same thing in this side. And now the mini toolbox can be called safety, avoiding sharp edge. Active edge flange. Click this edge. Make flange length is 20 mm. And click this edge. Choose this flange position type. OK. Do it as same thing in this side. Active edge flange. Click this edge. Make flange parameter is 20 mm. And click this edge. Choose this flange position type. OK. Active chamfer. Make chamfer parameter 5 mm. Click this edge, and the part that is fell will be short when touched. Okay. See, mini toolbox is ready. Click flat to see the mini toolbox when stretched. I think this part will be constrained when working on the laser cutting machine. We need to modify it. Click this edge flange. Click edit feature. Click this edge. Click edit flange profile. Drag this line. Active smart dimension. Click this line. Make this line length is 140 mm. And do it the same thing in this edge. Click finish. Now this part can be laser cutting. Now choose material. Right click material. Click edit material. Choose alloy steel. Click apply. Click close. See, mini toolbox is ready. I think it's the end tutorial. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.